Namaskar and welcome to BSG News. I'm Priyadarshika Mary Bose and let's have a look at the headlines for today. Yuvana, We Are the Next Generation Leader Youth Fest organized by National Headquarters from 5th to 11th January 2021. National level webinar organized on the occasion of National Youth Day to commemorate the 158th birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda on 12 January 2021. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan Cleanliness Program organized by Cuttack District of Orissa State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Plastic Tide Turner Awareness Campaign organized by Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides. 158th birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda as National Youth Day on January 12th throughout the country. Basic course for Scoutmaster and Guide Captain conducted on Don Bosco Boko from 4th to 10th January 2021 by the Selection Province of Guwahati, India. Hiking program organized by Kamrup District of Chamatpathar, Sonapur, Guwahati on 10th January 2021. Free Being Me, an action on body confidence workshop conducted at Arunachal Pradesh. News in brief. Yuvana, We Are the Next Generation Leader Youth Fest was organized by National Headquarters for 7 days from 5th to 11th January 2021. Thousands of young people, scouts and non-scouts took part actively. The grand celebration was inaugurated by an inspirational video message by Mr. Bear Grylls, Honorable Chief Ambassador of World Scouting, in the glorious presence of Mr. P.G.R. Singh, their Secretary General of President and Council in Bharat Scouts and Guides. Shri M.A. Khalid, Additional Chief National Commissioner Bharat Scouts and Guides, Ms. Amelia Swar, International Commissioner Guide of BSG India, Mr. Rajkumar Kaushik, Director of Bharat Scouts and Guides, and other National Headquarters professionals. The insight of scouting in the light of Swami Vivekananda was shown by Swami Divya Vibhananda from Ramakrishna Mission. Youth is the power of the nation. Youth is the pillar of the nation. The Bharat Scouts and Guides is the largest uniformed youth organization of the country. To commemorate the 158th birth anniversary of national hero Swami Vivekananda, National Youth Day was observed on 12 January 2021 nationwide. National level webinar on Tide Turner Plastic Challenge, career counseling, mock parliament, flash mob dance and declamation was organized on 9th, 10th and 11th January. On the auspicious occasion of National Youth Day on 12 January 2021, historical inauguration of District Training Center was organized by Kanjrapara District Association of Eastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides. Mr. Surendra Kumar, Chief Work Manager, Kanjrapara Work and District President, inaugurated the District Training Camp of Kanjrapara District in the gracious presence of Mr. Raman Malik, District CMEC and District Chief Commissioner. To keep alive the spirit of Father of the Nation, Mahatma Gandhi, members of Cuttack District of Orissa State Bharat Scouts and Guides are taking part in Swachh Bharat Abhiyan by cleaning Devabhoomi Temple at Cuttack on 8th January 2021, in which rovers, rangers and leaders are taking part. Fit India Adventure Camp was organized by rovers, rangers and unit leaders of Adra District of South Eastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides from 8th to 10th January 2021, in which more than 80 members participated by taking all necessary precautions of COVID-19 and maintaining the guidelines issued by Government of India. Adventure activities like cycle rally, rock climbing, yoga, rappelling, river crossing, river rafting were organized under the leadership of Mr. Shrijit Kumar Chattopadhyay, District Organizing Commissioner Scouts of Adra District. On 13th January 2021, Scouts and Guides of Bihar State organized a Plastic Tide Turner Awareness Campaign at Araria under the leadership of Mr. Baijnath Prasad, District Organizing Commissioner Scout Araria. In this campaign, plastic awareness by means of posters and banners were organized by the people of their local community. Regional level workshop on Free Being Me and action on body confidence started on 15 January 2021 at State Training Center, Ganganagar, Kolkata, with 50 participants from Bihar, East Central Railway, Eastern Railway, Orissa and West Bengal, including staff under the leadership of Bablu Goswami, Assistant Director in charge. 158th birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda was celebrated at the regional states at various levels. Guides and Rangers of North Guwahati Girl High School organized various activities on this auspicious occasion in their school campus. Guides and Rangers were actively participated in the Yuvana project of Bharat Scouts and Guides under the leadership of Mrs. Suchitra Goswami. Amit Prabha Ranger team of Jawaharlal Nehru College, Bokot took part at the Yuvana project of Bharat Scouts and Guides under the leadership of Mrs. Vijaya Deka. Scouts and Guides of Muluke Secondary School, East Sikkim observed the National Youth Parliament Festival on 12 January at their school. A nature study cum hike program conducted by Scouts Guides of Kamrup at Ukhem, a village in Kamrup Rural District in the Assam-Meghalaya border situated in the south bank of Brahmaputra River. Young people were enjoyed the flora and fauna of Ukhem under the leadership of Mrs. Vijaya Deka and team. Training and testing camp for Scouts and Guides of Golaghat district of Assam under the leadership of Mr. Shah Jahan Ali, Mr. Pratha Jyoti Bora took the initiative for the camp. More than 100 young people attended the camp. Scouts and Guides of Kamrup Metro Assam attending a hike organized at Chamat Patthar, Sonapur, Guwahati on 10 January 2021 is informed by the District Secretary Mrs. Lipika Barua. Free Being Me, an action on body confidence workshop conducted at Arunachal Pradesh under the leadership of Ms. Sapnali Pangyong, State Coordinator FBM on 9th January 2021 at Government High Secondary School, Gautampur, Diang. 57 participants took part in the workshop. Basic course for Scout Master and Guide Captain conducted at Don Bosco, Boko from 4th to 10th January 2021 by the Selection Province of Guwahati, India. 50 in Guide Capitation and 18 Scout Master undergone training during the course. Father P. X. Francis LT and Mrs. Mukta De Das ALT Guide was the leader of the course for Scout Master and Guide Captain respectively. Mr. A. R. Lasser coordinated the course with the support of Don Bosco institutions. Scouts and Guides from Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya and NF Railway took part in the celebration of National Youth Day by National Headquarters on 12 January 2021. National Youth Day was celebrated by Kulu district of Himachal Pradesh Bharat Scouts and Guides on 12 January 2021. They were conducted different activities regarding the importance of National Youth Day. Rovers and Rangers rendered their service in Nagar Panchayat election Kullu, Himachal Pradesh on 10th January 2021. The volunteers made the voters aware to follow the rules of COVID-19 and strictly as per guidelines of administration. On 7 January 2021, a road safety campaign was organized by Project Sahbagita Part Mandi with the help of Rovers and Rangers of Vallabh Government College Mandi and District Police Administration Mandi. Ms. Shalini Agnihotri IPS blessed the participants. The J&K Bharat Scouts and Guides celebrated National Youth Day in Jammu and Udhampur district. Various activities were conducted under Fit India movement on 12th January 2021, in which numbers of Scouts, Guides, Scouters, Guiders and head of various institutions participated from both the district. Most venerated Shri L.D. Soni, ex-State Commissioner Scout, was the chief guest, while Srimati Prabha Jain, ex-Joint State Commissioner, was guest of honor on this auspicious occasion. National Youth Day was celebrated by Uttar Pradesh Bharat Scouts and Guides on 12 January 2021. Ms. Manoj Sharma, film producer Shri Rajkumar Kaushik, director Bharat Scouts and Guides and state officials Bharat Scouts and Guides UP blessed the participants. National Youth Day was celebrated in Bhiwani, Karnal and Palwal District Association of Haryana State Bharat Scouts and Guides on 12th January 2021. Number of Scouts, Guides, Rovers, Rangers took part in various activities under the leadership of their unit leaders. District Association Lucknow of NE Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides distributed the food and clothes to poor people at Charbagh Railway Station to support their sustainable development goals. Tamil Nadu State Bharat Scouts and Guides Maharshi District Association conducted online Trithya testing camp for Scouts from 8th to 10th January 2021. To encourage everyone to participate in Yuvana program, Visakhapatnam District Bharat Scouts and Guides did a one-week activity poster release program by DEO and District Commissioner of Bharat Scouts and Guides, Visakhapatnam District. Telangana State conducted online Ranger Meet on new report status and discussed about the future action plan to improve the AP Bharat Scouts and Guides Kurnool District on account of 158th birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda distributed fruits and snacks to patients admitted in the Government General Hospital, Bemin, Kurnool, with the guides of Machani Somappa Girls High School, Bharat Scouts and Guides Unit. As National Youth Day celebration are being held, it develops social values among the youth. Guntur District Association of Andhra Pradesh has conducted Rajapuraska testing camp for Scouts and Regional Training Center, Tadikonda from 8th to 12th January 2021. Total 63 Scouts actively participated under the leadership of State Organizing Commissioner Shri P. Srinivasa Rao. On the occasion of 158th birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda, Karnataka State Bharat Scouts and Guides celebrated National Youth Day at State Headquarters, Karnataka, and opening BBMP Bharat Scouts and Guides office on the presence of Honorable Chief Minister Shri B.S. Yediyurappa, Shri Manjunath, BBMP, and Shri P.G.R. Shinde, State Chief Commissioner, Bharat Scouts and Guides, Karnataka, Secretary General, President and Council, Bharat Scouts and Guides. Bharati Darshan Scout Group and Kasturi Bai Guide Group, Katabdi Central District South Railway State conducted the Smoke-Free Bhogi Awareness Campaign against burning of plastic and unwanted material during Bhogi Day. This systematic campaign created awareness among residents of railway colonies and nearby railway stations, stopping the habit of burning waste to a great extent. Subhash Chandra Scout Group ICF District Association conducted the Air Pollution Awareness Campaign against burning the plastic and other unwanted material in connection with Bhogi. On 11 January, Andhra Pradesh State Association Nellore District Scouters and Guiders participated with their Scouts and Guides in a program Amma Vadi, introduced by Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh Sri Jagan Mohan Reddy, for school-going children to encourage them not to quit the school by providing 15,000 per child. Andhra Pradesh State Chief Commissioner Shri V. Chinna Veerabhadraddu IAS decorated the program with his presence. Vizianagaram District Association of Andhra Pradesh has organized a hike with Scouts on 12th January with 20 Scouts under the leadership of G. Srinivasa Rao and V. Chinnamma Naidu. Telangana State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized activities like hike, cycle rally, bike rally for rovers and rangers on the occasion of Youth Day, that is birthday of Swami Vivekananda. Rovers and rangers displayed play cards displaying the inspirational quotes. Bhavnagar District of Gujarat State Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted a cycle rally on the occasion of 158th birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda with 20 Scouts and Guides. The Scouts and Guides of school conveyed the message of scientific knowledge about Makar Sankranti and things to be taken care of while celebrating the festival. These included issues such as the protecting birds from kite strings, precautions to be taken while driving. The activity was broadcast on the school YouTube channel. Launching of HP World on Wheel Bus Project. The Bharat Scouts and Guides in partnership with HP India Private Limited and MS Mogadevi Minda Charitable Trust started a digital literacy program with the name World on Wheels. Honorable Chief Minister of Haryana State had inaugurated this digital bus on 8th March 2020 at Harera Gurugram office. Due to COVID pandemic, the project was delayed and started on 7th January 2021 at Hasanpur village of Gurugram, Haryana State. Under CSR project, MSHP India Private Limited provided a digital bus to Bharat Scouts and Guides with a computer lab with 20 computers. The digital bus with IT professional visit remote villages in rural Haryana and provide computer training as well as scout guide training to school children. This is one of the initiative of Honorable Chief National Commissioner of Bharat Scouts and Guides, Dr. K. Khandelwal IAS retired. The curriculum is planned for 7 to 17 years and 18 to 25 years youth. Basic advanced computer training along with professional courses like Tally, Pro, GST, etc. are included in the program. The project led by Shri Arup Sarkar, Deputy Director of Scouts, Bharat Scouts and Guides. Rajasthan State Bharat Scouts and Guides, Rovers, Rangers and unit leaders are giving their valuable service for COVID-19 protection by making masks, food distribution, etc. Sikar district is also doing lots of activities. That's all for today's news. We'll be back with more news next Sunday 5 p.m. Thank you.